Hello students. The Council for the Indian School Certificate Examination or CISE has announced the reduced syllabus for the classes 9 to 12 for the current academic year 2020-2021. In this video, we are going to discuss about the reduced syllabus of computer science for class 12 for the academic year 2020-2021 and for the examination year 2021 for those students who are going to appear the ISC examination in the year 2021. Now, since the syllabus has been reduced in the current academic session as compared to the syllabus that was released at the beginning of this session, so let's see which part of the syllabus has been discarded as compared to the previous one. The link of the reduced syllabus for the current academic session 2020-2021 has given in the description box. So we are discussing the paper 1, which is basically the theory paper of 70 marks. Now the paper 1 has basically two parts. Part 1, which comprises of 20 marks, which is basically consists of compulsory short answer questions, and part 2, in part 2 there exist three sections: section A, section B, and section C. So we have to attempt at least two questions from each and every section. So therefore we have to attempt a total of 6 questions from part 2. Now column, we have our previous syllabus, and in the right side of this column we have the reduced syllabus of ISC 2020-2021. Now we are starting from section A, serial number 1, Boolean algebra. Now if we look onto subpart, the all parts remain unchanged. You can see that just a one change in subpart A is the reduction of chain rule and modus ponens rule from the reduced syllabus. So we have up to contrapositive. Part B remains unchanged in the reduced syllabus, and subpart C also remains unchanged in the reduced syllabus. Now next, serial number 2, computer hardware. Now if you carefully look into both of the syllabus, you find that the syllabus, the reduced syllabus for 2020-21 remains unchanged as compared to the previous syllabus. So only change that has been made in section A is from serial number 1, Boolean algebra, that chain rule and modus ponens rule has been discarded. A few changes has been made in section B also. So let's start from serial number 3. Now you can see that in serial number 3 the implementation of algorithms to solve problems that remains unchanged in our reduced syllabus. Now we move on to serial number 4, which is programming in Java, that remain unchanged. That is basically the review of the class 11 section B and C. And now the change that has been occurred in serial number 5, subpart C, we have only the basic input output using the scanner class from JDK. So the printer classes that has been discarded in our reduced syllabus. Now if we move on to serial number 6, primitive values wrapper classes, types and castings, that also remain unchanged in our reduced syllabus. serial number 7 also remain unchanged. Serial number 8 statement and scope also remain unchanged in our reduced syllabus. Number 9 methods. The syllabus remain unchanged in ISC reduced syllabus as compared to the previous one. But if we look onto serial number 10, which is array and string, well, you can see that the string buffer class, it has been deducted from the reduced syllabus. The other remains unchanged. Next, serial number 11, this recursion, this chapter remains unchanged in the reduced syllabus as compared to the previous one. So that's all from section B. Now if we move on to section C, now you can see that in the reduced syllabus, the part computational complexity has been discarded totally, and definitely in the other parts also a few changes has been made. So starting from serial number 12, inheritance, interfaces and polymorphism. Now in this topic, the subpart A remains unchanged, and if we move on to subpart B, so we can see that the changes that has been made to subpart B is only the conceptual study for interfaces in Java as compared to the previous syllabus. The changes has been made in subpart B also. So this part has been discarded in the reduced syllabus. Now move on to serial number 13, a data structure. Now in the data structure, we can see that the basic data structures, which are stack and queue, these two data structure that remains in the reduced syllabus. So discarding the circular queue and DQ. Circular queue and DQ both has been discarded from the reduced syllabus, and only this part, conversion of infix to prefix and postfix notation, has been kept in the reduced syllabus. If we go to subpart B, you can see that as compared to the previous syllabus, the linked list has been discarded totally. Now the part which is kept is only the binary tree and tree traversals. So only we have to study these things in section C. The linked list part as compared to the previous syllabus has been totally discarded in the reduced syllabus. This part has been discarded totally. The complexity and big O notation, this part has been discarded totally in the reduced syllabus. So students, so far we have seen the changes that has been made in the ISC reduced syllabus 2020-2021 for class 12 in paper 1. I have shared the file for your future reference. The link of the file is given in the description box below. Now thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, then hit the like button, share it and subscribe to the channel. Goodbye to all of you and have a nice day.